Hi, ladies and gentlemen, Jeff here, Ninja Forex Traders, the V70 strategy. I've introduced myself, I've introduced the volume profile. What we'll now do is show you how to actually use it and how to profit. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Here we go. So just share my screen. Here we go. So this is what we've done before. All we have on is these session breaks where we showed the previous video. So just a reminder, I went right click, settings at the bottom, appearance, and it's just here, that sessions breaks here. Switch it off, switch it on. That just lets us know from day to day. Now currently I showed you the 1 hour, just for a quick bit. What we're now going to do is going to go down to the 5 minutes as I suggested in a minute. So I'll go to indicators for this volume profile, built-ins, volume profile, sessions volume. And that's the one I use. You could quite easily just use the other one I suggested down here, the fixed range volume profile. I've showed you the settings also. So I'm on the 1 hour. Let's show you how to set this up previously. What I'm going to do is go down to the 5 minute. So that's the 5 minute. And you remember also I said, ladies and gentlemen, with this we go back in time to tell the future. I can say that again. We go back in time to tell the future. So remember we draw the 3 lines from the one before. So go back in time and I draw 3 lines. So go over here, draw a line 1, that blue meets the grey. I draw a line there, that blue meets the grey. And I draw the 3rd line, that's all it is, 3 simple lines. I'm going to take advantage of this right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fine tune that and make sure it's right on the button. So a little magnifying button over here, so I press that and it made that, and I press it minus, and it zooms back out, boom. So that's the setup done, easy. So we have, this is called a value area, anything in between this 70% of the previous day, of all day, of the whole trading for the previous day, 70% was in this area. And we aim to take advantage of that. That's our aim. So here we go. So the market opens. We actually wanted to get a bit of space between here so we can go down and come back up. So we're focusing on this line, and this line. Not this one, because this is today's. We're looking yesterday's. So I'm just going to go in there to fine tune it. So we just count the number of times it hits it. I think it's the first one's just up there, ladies and gentlemen. Does it hit it there? It just breaks through that line. Congratulations. So if you get in that trade with me, you'd have been profit. So I'm just going to highlight that. It's over here. So that's the first trade. I'll go into more details later on how to enter trades and things. That's the first one. Price moves away. Now, when price moves away, 2 things happens. First thing, it takes patience. You might be saying, Jeff, I want it to come up and hit there. I understand that. It moves away, goes out of the value area. It doesn't always, but this time it goes out of the value area, which is this area here. Comes back in, and when it hits back in this area here, I get excited. I get very excited. So our target is up here. We've now got some space. Yeah. So what we do is we think about entering the trade here. We're getting pretty excited. Yep. Now you notice there's 2 other tools, indicators over here, specialist Ninja ones, one called the Ninja Matrix. Quickly switch it on, back off. Yeah. And I'll show you the settings in a little bit. Ninja Matrix. So basically when it's a green, it's a buy, and when it's a red, it's sell. Look how easy that looks. So I'll stay that on a matrix. So when it comes back in here, I get excited. Now there's a secret to trading, and I'll share that in further videos, but with breaks to there and a big strong push through would either enter there, or a later video I might suggest a different one, but let's just say there or there for just now. And over here I'm going to measure your success in terms of, let's say we do the second video, the second one. So take it from there, straight away we're up 35 pips, 352 points. Now that could be worth $35, £35. It could be worth $350, it could be worth $352, just as an example, in that small time. And it comes back down and then goes directly to our target. Thank you very much. So that was you. If you only risked $1 per pip, now do you see what it says 73.6? If you had risked $1 or £1 per pip, you would have made £73 or $73. But I know many people do $5 or $10 a pound per pip. So if it was 10, that would have been $736 a pip or pounds you'd have won. Thank you very much indeed. And that is it. It doesn't get any easier than that. Now, look at that. Very nice indeed. So I'm just trying to get something. So there was our second win. Now, we could have potentially stayed in further and get more, but that's basically it. So that was an introduction to the V70, the Ninja V70, setting up a trade with the value area. So getting in, if it's outside, waiting for it to come back in to target. So it's Jeff Goodwin here, Ninja Forex Traders, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.